Hello, tall traders, and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So it's all about the direction of gold and oil in the last couple of weeks since the conflict between Israel and Iran heated up, and now it's settling down, hopefully. So we had quite a bit of a sell-off on the commodities, and now we're just seeing a little bit of a pickup in the early session today. President Donald Trump is still talking about Jerome Powell, saying that he needs to cut rates more aggressively in yesterday's NATO meeting. But he did actually say also that his tariff wars or tariffs that he's increased does make it a little bit harder to do so. So he's kind of contradicting himself a little bit there, but nothing out of the ordinary for the outspoken president. So we're just seeing now that gold is finding support, thankfully, at the 3,300 level. Just pointing it out on the chart now. This is on the intraday, by the way, at a 4-hour chart. And we just had a little bit of a test there, a bit of a false spike below that, but now steadily climbing higher by $45. So is this an indication that buyers are not out of the market yet, and sellers are feeling a little bit more of a pressure now? Because since we had this other peak at the height of the recent conflict, as you can see here, since the ceasefire and things have quietened down, we saw a dramatic shake off, and we'll see that on the oil chart as well. But more importantly, we've had a bounce, a nice bounce at the bottom of the RSI. So price action was always going to start moving a little bit higher. We'll just wait and see how much higher it can be and where gold is going to go from here. Naturally, if things escalate, then we could see quite a big pop on gold once again. You know, $50, $60, $70 is not something unusual in one trading session if things do get out of control. This ceasefire that's occurring at the moment is continuing for now. Hopefully it will continue, but that doesn't mean that gold buyers are out of the market yet. So where are we going from here? Naturally, 33.50 is the next target that we're looking at, and we're just seeing possibly another move to the upside for gold. So we'll wait and see. Basically, fundamentals are really driven by the Middle Eastern conflict at the moment, and with what President Trump is saying in his speeches as well. So we'll just wait and see if that's going to have any bearing going forward. Oil, on the other hand, very, very pressured, waiting for direction now in a very skewed triangle here after dropping over $10 in recent sessions. Since the market opened, we had this massive pop in price action, which was natural over the weekend. When things happen on the weekend, we get big market gaps, which we did do. But as you can see here, a total collapse in price action since then, and trading roughly now around the $65 area after almost touching $77. So this is really, really pressuring the black gold at the moment. So yeah, just looking for direction, as I said, in a little bit of a skewed triangle now, just trying to see if price action is going to break away and what the next signal is. The good thing is we're very, very pressured on the RSI as well. So naturally there will be a slight upturn in price action. So we could see more of a move higher, but will it be a big move, or will it just be a slight bump in the market? We'll have to wait and see. But as always, we'll bring you all the latest in fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us there, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time around. Bye for now.